In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gmail from Freshsales CRM. If you're looking to disconnect your Gmail account from Freshsales, you've come to the right place. This is a quick and straightforward process, so let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Freshsales website. Once there, you'll notice the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Go ahead and click that. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials. Type in your email address and follow the on-screen instructions to successfully sign into your Freshsales account. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. It's typically displayed as a small circle or square with your initials or profile picture. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the options that appear, you'll want to select Personal Settings. This is the section where you can customize various aspects of your Freshsales account, including email connections. Within the Personal Settings, locate and click on the Connect Email tab, which is usually positioned at the top area of the page. This tab holds all the settings related to your email accounts that are connected with Freshsales. Now, under the Connect Email section, you should see your Gmail account listed. If you look towards the far right of this section, you'll notice a small trash can icon. This icon is the key to disconnecting your Gmail from the CRM. When you hover over it, a prompt should pop up to confirm that this action will unlink your Gmail account. Click on the trash can icon, and you'll immediately see a dialog box asking for confirmation to proceed with the disconnection. This step is crucial because once your email is disconnected, any sync actions, like importing or exporting data between the platforms, will be halted. Thoroughly consider if you're ready to proceed, and if you are, go ahead and click Yes. By confirming, your Gmail account will be successfully unlinked from Freshsales. It can be reconnected at any time if needed. But make sure you assess the implications on any workflows or integrations that previously relied on this connection before moving forward. And there you have it. You've successfully disconnected your Gmail from Freshsales CRM. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the process, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more handy tutorials.